Hi, this is Steph with Belladonna Dyes, and today we're going to make a pleated muck ice dye. You want to start by centering your shirt using the sleeve inside the other sleeve technique. Once you have your shirt centered and all smoothed out, you just want to pleat fold this, and I'm going to secure this one with rubber bands. You want to build yourself some type of barrier to hold back the ice. I'm using these silicone cake molds that I got from Amazon, and I have a link for them down below in the description box, along with pretty much everything else that I use. And then you want to set it inside of a container, and I got this container at the dollar store, and I think it's like a dishwashing container. Anything that's not going to leak works. A quick little sprinkle of soda ash for good measure. After the ice had melted, I covered it with some saran wrap and I set it outside. We're having a real heat wave right now, so I figured why not let it get really nice and hot. So now it's time for the rinse out, and you want to start by using cold water, and that's going to rinse away any soda ash that might still be reacting within the fibers, although with ice dyes that's really not an issue, but anyways. And then gradually increase your water up to hot and rinse until the water runs pretty much clear. From here I take it to the washing machine and I do a hot water cycle. I do a second hot water cycle using Synthropol, which is a textile detergent. And then I do a third hot water cycle using Milsoft, and that brings softness back into the t-shirt after the dyeing process. And then I put it in the dryer and we come back and we'll see the results. Well, here it is, guys. Here's our shirt after it's been washed and dried. I really like this shirt a lot. I love this color combination. It leans more towards the masculine side of things, but that's okay. I don't make a lot of these, so I need something for the guys to wear. Anybody can wear this, but you know what I mean. It's not like pink and purple. Anyways, I really do like the teal in this ice dye technique. Much better versus like the liquid. I don't find the color to be pretty at all in liquid, but I do like it in the ice dye. So the shirt might look familiar because I just did the low water immersion technique, and I wanted to do just a good old-fashioned ice dye to just show the comparison to see what the results would be. I was curious. I know some of you are also curious, so here it is. What do you guys think of this shirt? Please leave me some comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, leave a thumbs up, and click the bell for future uploads. And remember, have fun tie-dyeing.